I don't know if you've seen my idea for the real final experiment that'll never happen, right? You got Santiago, and you have ignore the red line, and you have Australia, right? You with me? Get two airplanes, fly to Antarctica, prove we're in Antarctica. That could be done easily, right? And then we film them. You and I are on there, scientists, professors, big planes. So we get everybody on there. And if the Earth is the size they say it is, Antarctica is 10,000 miles around, whatever. It'll take about 10 hours to get for both planes to meet over here. Now, if they both meet over there in 10 hours, that matches the globe model. But if they have to go around this way, it's going to take 68 hours. There's a wide margin of difference. But, Ben, if it goes over here, what do you say? If that happens, 5 hours, what do you say?
Well, I would say that would be a proof of that it's a. If it happened in a short amount of time, it'd have to be proof that it's a continent.
There you go.
It's still possible that there's an Antarctica. Yeah.
Bingo. So let's say we have bases here, here, and here. You know what's funny? People from this base never come to visit the people from this base. They never travel from one base to the other.
Yeah.
Right? And so to make it a final experiment, you now have to take these two planes that met over here and say, we're going to go to Australia, and you can have, I don't know, give them 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, because they're really like 80 hours away from, from getting back. So let's have a reasonable flight to Australia. It'll never happen because we don't live on a globe. But that's the final experiment, in my opinion.
Yeah, for me, crossing the alleged geographic South Pole from one end, from southern South America all the way to Australia.
That's the same thing. I did the same thing, but I did it with a stop.
Put us all on put a few of us on the airplane. It costs you, $30,000 from NASA to go ahead and just sponsor that chartered flight. Yep. Put us on the airplane where we have instruments, accelerometers, everything that we want to bring on that airplane.
Yep.
And to prove that we're not changing the directions that would be required for them to be, circling around the outer edge of the Earth. Give us that opportunity. That would be a fascinating test. And that brings me to one of the other top proofs for the flat Earth is Antarctica. The fact that they've closed off all independent travel below the 60th south parallel, that they don't allow that independent investigation, that they don't allow flights from like over the alleged geographic South Pole. And the fact that there is no north-south circumnavigation, to me, is a huge one for the flat Earth, and confirms the idea that I think that the AE map is fairly close. I'm not, I think the distances are off and things like that, but I think it's pretty close. And so, but that is kind of the format of what our Earth does look like, in my opinion.